Alright, so the last topic for Module 2 is harmonic progression. So harmonic progression, sequence of numbers is said to form a harmonic progression if their reciprocals form an arithmetic progression. So we take a look at an example here below. This is 1/2, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. So if we take the reciprocal of these numbers, that becomes 2, 4, 6, and 8. So if we observe, these 2, 4, 6, and 8 forms an arithmetic progression because they have a common difference, which is 2. So let's have an example. Number 1, insert 5 harmonic means between 4 and 16. So we have here the first term is 4 and the last term is 16. And then 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have the 4 and 16 as extremes. So this is our harmonic progression. So next is we try to get the reciprocal of the first term and the last term for the arithmetic progression. So 4 becomes 1/4 and 16 becomes 1 over 16. And then we are to find the 5 means in between 1/4 and 16. So at this point, this is an arithmetic progression. So let us identify the given. So 1/4 is the first term, A1, that is 1/4. And then ace of n, the last term is 1 over 16. And we know also that n is equal to 7. The total number of terms is equal to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So our goal is to be able to solve the value of d, the common difference, so that once we know the value of the common difference, then we can just add the common difference to the preceding term for us to be able to get the succeeding terms. So to be able to do that, let us use this formula. Ace of n is equal to a1 multiplied by the quantity n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So again, our ace of n is 1 over 16. Ace of 1, the first term is 1/4. The value of n is 7. And we have one unknown, which is the one we are trying to solve. So d now is equal to negative 1 over 32. Alright, so since we already know the common difference, we can solve for the value of the second term, ace of 2. And that is to simply add the first term or the previous term plus the common difference. So ace of 2 now becomes, the first term is 1/4 plus the common difference, negative 1 all over 32. The second term is 7 over 32. Next, let us solve the value of ace of 3. Ace of 3 is equal to 7 over 32 plus the common difference, which is negative 1 over 32. So this is 3 over 16. So again, since we know the common difference, it would be easier for us to simply calculate every successive term. So for the fourth term, this is simply 3 all over 16 plus negative 1 over 32, and that is 5 all over 32. Next, for the fifth term, this is simply 5 all over 32 plus the common difference, which is negative 1 over 32. So this is 1/8. And then the sixth term, that is simply 1/8 plus negative 1 all over 32, and that is 3 all over 32. Now, if we add the common difference to this value, we should arrive at 1 all over 16. And if you calculate it, yes, we will arrive at 1 all over 16. So 3 all over 32 plus negative 1 all over 32 is 1 all over 16. So now that we already completed the arithmetic means, we can just get again the reciprocal of this for us to be able to return to our original value, which is the harmonic progression. So reciprocal of 1/4 is 4. Reciprocal of 7 over 32 is 32 all over 7. And then 3 all over 16 becomes 16 all over 3. 5 over 32 becomes 32 over 5. 1/8 becomes simply 8 all over 1, or that is simply 8. And then 3 all over 32 becomes 32. And then of course 1 all over 16 becomes 16. So this is now the 5 harmonic means in between 4 and 16. So this is now our answer.